Hi guys, today's lesson will be a bit short since I'm covering Splunk and JavaScript first. Anyway, after this lesson, we will go into continuous integration, but it's Docker related. As we know, Docker is used by DevOps and IT related fields, and these fields require your knowledge in Docker, working on Git or Travis CI. So I plan to release Kubernetes after Docker as a full course. Bear with me, it will take a while. Docker images are usually larger than what they have to be, especially if you are utilizing a small portion of the image. You don't really need the rest. So a normal Docker image may have the size of about 700 megabytes to 1 gigabytes. Just imagine that whenever you are developing something, like for example your website or some systems, and each of the build is this big, it's really bad for CI. So there is this thing called the Docker multi-stage build, which you can change the game. Instead of 700 megabytes, you can go down as low as a few megabytes. So okay, so over here I have already draft. So you will have to declare as something. So usually people put as builder. So from your image as builder, then everything that you want to run. So then you declare for the other image that you want to use. So over here I put nginx. So you want to copy from builder of the original project work directory /build, that's where all the files is, to where nginx uses, and then save it. So now once you do docker build dot, you will definitely see the size going downwards, perhaps less than 100 meg or less than 10 meg, and it will still run as usual.